2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, backup camera, navigation system, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.